Hello. If you are watching this tutorial, it's because you are interested or you've acquired one of the emergency presets, and so I just want to start this video by just saying thank you for investing and for supporting in that way. So if you, as I said, if you acquired a emergency preset, then and this tutorial is specifically for Lightroom mobile. So you will have gotten those files onto your camera roll, and I'm using iPhone, which is why I'm saying camera roll. So they're they're in your camera roll, and they look like blank images, but what they are actually DNG files, because that is the type of file that will be needed to import into Lightroom mobile. So you have all of those different presets files that are blank, and so what you do is that you go onto your Lightroom, and that's when you import. So you go and you click add photos from camera roll, and these are the files. So I'll start with this one, and this is one of the 3 in the preset pack that are available on the website. This is looking gold, beautiful, and this is another new preset like I love that I just released. This is jerk chicken. Some of those names are funny, but let's have fun. Why not? This is Flower Child. This is a new preset that I've released. And finally, we have Cuba Glow. And so these are the presets. So this is basically how you import into Lightroom. Now you can go, let's say for example, you go onto here. It might take some time to load, but hey, it's loaded perfectly. So what you have here is all the settings for that particular preset are there. So the way that this is how you import into Lightroom. So in order to apply that preset onto other pictures, you can do it 2 ways. You can first copy the settings, right? So you copy, and then let's say I want to apply it to a blank slate, so the original raw file, I would say. So what I do is I paste it, and let's see, I will make it the original, right? So this is the preset. So the Cuba Glow preset is applied to that picture, but I may not want to do it that way. So for longevity, so let me reset this picture, what I want to do. And so I'll go into the Cuba Glow, or let's say Flower Child, for example. So if I don't want to go ahead and have to copy and paste onto pictures all the time, what I do is I go on here, I go on top, and then instead of clicking copy settings, I say create preset. So I have all of the things selected, and what I'll do is I'll do 2, and that's Flower Child, and I say yes. So now if I go onto that picture, the original one, if I do preset and I click Flower Child, it will apply the preset. Ta-da! There you go. So this is how you import and apply presets onto a picture in Lightroom mobile.